Okay, so it's Matticus, is it?
Yep.
Alright, so first question. Do you think the ISS would implode or explode if there was a hole in it? Or nothing at all?
I would say I don't believe it, but...
If it existed.
If it existed, I believe it would implode. No, explode.
Okay.
Explode.
Do you know how a compass works and why it points north?
Yes. Magnetic field.
Around the Earth? What magnetic field?
Well, for the North Pole, but technically the South Pole has a magnetic pole too, but...
So the magnetic field that goes around the Earth? Or...
Well, no, like the magnetic pole at the North Pole.
So there's like a magnet at the North Pole?
I don't think there's a magnet there, no. It would be just like what they say is like the magnetic field.
Well, okay. Just, the globe version doesn't work for flat Earth, so I was just wondering if there was a flat Earth version. But that's okay.
So, what they say, let's tell them what they say.
Okay.
They say there's a big iron mountain up there, right? Where is it at? Trouble about? She'll tell you.
Mount Meru.
Where's it exactly at? Up
Mount Meru.
Up there.
Well,
Mount Meru, huh? I'm going to Google it right now.
On the globe, it's a magnetic field that goes around the Earth, so it's not even on the Earth.
Uh-huh.
Whereas some people in Flat Earth think that Mount Meru is the reason, and some molten lava and some other stuff.
No. If anything, there's just a magnetic pull up there, and there could be one underneath, or who knows?
Okay.
We don't know.
And do you know the Eratosthenes experiment? The one where he put 2 sticks in the ground to measure...
Yep.
Yep. Did he put the sticks in the ground on a latitude lines or a longitude? In other words, were they going north to south or east to west?
I'm not sure. I think if I had to guess, it'd be north to south.
Okay. Does the horizon always rise to eye level?
Yep, I believe so.
Okay. Do all the stars rotate around Polaris?
Yeah, if you want to word it that way, sure. Yes. The stars rotate.
Okay, can you look up to disprove the shape underneath your feet?
No.
Okay, when travelling alongside of Antarctica, do you turn... To encircle it, do you turn away from the land or towards the land to make a circle around it? Do you think?
I mean, you would always have to turn towards it if you're trying to, circumnavigate it.
If it was an island, but if it was an ice wall that went around us, you'd have to keep turning away from it.
Well, you're going around the whole time. There's inlets and outlets.
Yeah, but generally, you'd either do a circle around an island or a circle away from land. Otherwise, you couldn't go straight, you'd hit it. Hit the ice wall. So if somebody did that experiment, what do you think would happen? Do you think they would have to keep turning away from the land?
Say you're staying 200 feet away from the shore the whole time. You're not really turning away from it. You're just staying at 200. I see what you're trying to say. Is would you turn away from it? Yes, I suppose, but...
This is giving me a mind fuck, too.
It would kind of be this, almost the same kind of thing.
Not really. One would... Relative to the land...
It's like this.
Relative to the land, it would be different, because... If you were you're going around an island and you went in a straight line, you just move away from it. But if you were going around an ice wall that encircled you, if you went in a straight line, you'd end up hitting it. So you'd have to keep turning away from it all the time.
Trouble, let me ask you, is New Zealand to the left or to the right of Australia?
If you're looking at a map to the right,
Yeah, the really broken part is it's actually more south than Australia. Why do
why
they call it the land down under?
Yeah, if you're in America and I'm looking at supposed, around the globe down, New Zealand's to my left of Australia. From my perspective, just like the arrow pointing to the rear of the truck.
But you don't look at a map upside down. You always look at a map with north upwards.
Yeah, you're talking about yourself standing